Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna go jumping off this cliff.
Come here, Yoda. Come here, Yoda. Come on. He's looping me. He's looping me. Out here with the kids on Father's Day. And my doggy. That's Yoda. Yoda-diddly. I'm looking for fish in the water. I found some bluegill. I don't know what that one striped fish was. Maybe I'll be able to identify it when I look at the footage. I couldn't tell what it was from just looking at it through the water. Hopefully it's a lot clearer on the footage, because this is what I'm seeing. The water looks pretty clear, but it's kind of murky. There's a fish, a bluegill. Here, let's go look at it. Those are just some little bluegills, little fellas. Can you see it? Went back a little bit. New type of fish. Sorry, I found these little guys over here. They're in the shallow on this log. I got one pecking at my feet right now. I just swam off because this kid scared it away. But they're pecking at my toes over here. Super cool. Alright, say hi. You gotta wave to the people. Hey Jace, say hi. Yoda, say hi. Good boy.
Well, it was a kind of good one back, so it wasn't that bad. But definitely silent. Nice.
Is that Yarrows food you're eating?
Yes.
That's a big chunk of meat. Are you on an all-protein diet?
No.
I'm feeling pretty good about this Yarrow. Look, they all match up now.
But I do eat all the protein I can get.
Why not? It's down on, I like them down. Uh-oh. I'm missing the back.
Okay.
Of the drawer number 2. I'll take this behind drawer number 2.
You know.
I think we have extra bags and all the little puppies out
Good girl.
on the shelf.
Yeah, I got extra backs over here on the floor, but I guess what I'm trying to say over here,
It's a really cool rock star band you got going on there.
thanks, my granddaughter. Wait a minute, this is the back. That's the back of that.
That was a big chunk of meat I just swallowed.
Careful now, we're going to do the hind leg.
Yeah, it's like stuck right here.
The hind leg.
It hurts.
It'll be fine.
I'll survive.
Jeff, you gotta do the hunting.
What we did in prison, when the inmates were choking, we kick them twice in the chest and blow at them. Just go. Nah, he's not gonna make it.
I'll let point finger or not.
He's not gonna make it, I know it. Are you fine? And then can you talk?
It's still stuck there, I can feel it.
If you can talk, you can breathe.
Yeah.
You can breathe, you're good.
It's further down, but it's trying to come back up. Yeah, it's below where I'm breathing.
Yeah, if you can talk, you can breathe, so don't worry about it. You're fine.
Yeah, this happens. So I had an endoscopy done because I have like issues with my stomach or whatever. And I'm supposed to be taking omeprazole. I haven't been though because my digestion has been fine since I've changed my diet a little bit. Every once in a
It's
while.
fine because we take the medicine. It's not, it's like, does that make sense?
Every once in a while I get caught though. And
Big ball boy? Do you need the horn licked?
I swallowed too big of a piece of meat, that's all.
Oh, this is a lot harder than it looks, people. Hey, Giggles, back there. Are you giggling at me?
Yeah.
Eddie's going to be.
Yeah, she didn't like it. It's just too big.
Too big and excited.
Yeah.
Because he probably was hyper when he saw
There's no
her.
one here tomorrow.
No, he was chill. She was just barking and barking.
What's this strange creature?
Yeah.
Like he eat me.
And she always barks at the dog park and stuff.
Yeah, other dogs.
The same thing where it's like 5 minutes of like, stop. Just shut up. And then she'll come back.
How old is Yarrow?
We think like 6 to 8.
Did you get it from a rescue?
Yeah.
Was she fully grown? She was fully grown then when we got her?
Yeah. I mean, so she was at least 2.
Yeah.
Rescues have two age, puppies or like
I-
4, they don't tell you they're
Right.
all.
Yeah.
'Cause we
Well, she was
rescued-
found on the streets of Hamtramck, so.
I rescued a golden one time. Roxy was the best dog I ever had. Someone moved and they couldn't take her, so they left her in the garage. Let her out. you
I know, just
maybe.
like, just
So by the time
call anonymously to somebody,
Yeah.
like.
So by the time they found that poodle, she was with the vet for a month on IVs and
Yeah.
just, and it was the sweetest.
I grew up just north of here on some dirt roads out in the farm country, and people would just dump their dogs out there.
That's crazy.
And they're nice dogs. It's
Yeah.
not like they were crazy, like untrainable dogs or
Drop it
anything.
off at the shelter or something,
Yeah.
you know?
It's just, I don't know how people can do that.
I know, it's really
You know, 'cause-
messed
I
up.
don't know what they're.
They really are, if you love your dog, they really are part of your family. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
You coming to-
Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna do my program.
So my steak almost tried to take me out here. I took a bite and they got stuck and like I usually take omeprazole to help with the heartburn and stuff I have. I don't have heartburn, but for some reason that steak got stuck and it's still bothering me.
Oh, you cut your hardwood open too?
Yeah, that's just
Says it. So soft. Oh, no, I meant
mine is too.
I'm having trouble hitting this line and this line at the same time.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I hit
Yours
this
was-
one and then that
Yeah,
one.
I know. It's hard to get them together. I saw you doing it like you had it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the wood's softer than I thought it was going to be. It's good.
Mine's not.
Yeah, no. What do you have?
What is this? This is the cherry.
Cherry? Really? Because the babinga I thought was going to be hard, but it's not too bad.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Crayfish?
Let's cut.